side. So I joined under him. I saw him improving like a mug. It's crazy. I was like, oh, I gotta get on.
Yeah, he's talking about me right now.
You know what I'm saying? Look, it's different. What we do here is different. That's the thing. It's appealing because it's unique. Like you think you've been there and seen it, and then you come here and it's something different. Different culture.
You can't even put a finger on it.
Yeah, like even like how much money people are making. It's like, you know, how short this company's been in business. Yeah, like I've only been in a year and a half. You know, just under 500,000 in commissions. Yeah, just part time. The majority of that time I did it while only an hour a day. So, you know, it's just. I was working a full-time business, 80 to 100 hours a week, and so I just built this on the side. Yeah, and then finally when this income got up, I didn't even leave that business until I was doing about 40,000 a month here. Crazy.
That's so crazy, man. That's crazy.
Yo, people changing lives every day, man. I love it.
Cool, man. Well, welcome out. Welcome to the family. Appreciate it, man.
That's thanks.